let's start. Thank you.
I am a Orangal. I was the president for the COVID setting. আমি জেনে ভয় ভয় বলছি মটকা নিলো মটকা ओ बाबूजी बाबूजी मेरे मटके का पानी वो ठंडा है मैंने मटका मैंने हाथे से बनाया मेरे मटका सुंदर है I am a farmer I work hard to cultivate food just stop child labor start everything there I am a doctor stay home stay safe happy birthday Good morning, Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today we are going to tell few quotations related to Labor Day. Without labor, there is no prosperity, no success.
There is nothing impossible for the laborers. They know how to make impossible things possible.
No season, no reason can stop the laborer from doing his job.
His dedication and focus come from within.
Laborers are the creators of society. Treat them with love and pity.
Let us salute the labor of our nation, which has always worked for the growth and success of our country. Sending warm wishes on International Labour's Day.
सुप्रभात आदरणीय प्रधान अध्यापिका अध्यापिकाओं और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आप सभी को मजदूर दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मजदूर दिवस के अवसर पर आप सभी के समक्ष हमारे मित्र एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं।
हमारी कविता का शीर्षक है मजदूर कौन। कई लोग पूछते हैं मजदूर कौन। मजदूर है वो लोग जो काम करते दिन रात मौन। देश की तरक्की में उनका है अहम योगदान। उनके द्वारा किए गए कार्य बनाते हैं देश को महान।
इसलिए तो हमें करना चाहिए श्रमिकों का सम्मान, क्योंकि उनका उपहास होगा पूरे देश का अपमान। देश की तरक्की को अपने खून पसीने से सींचते, अपने मेहनत से प्रगति के पहियों को आगे है खींचते।
मेहनत वो करते हैं क्योंकि उनका भी है घर परिवार। दे सके खुशियाँ उनको जिनसे करते हैं वो प्यार। तो आओ इस मजदूर दिवस में लेकर हम ले फैसला।
श्रमिकों की मदद कर बढ़ाएंगे उनका हौसला, जिससे अपने काम के प्रति उनमें पैदा हो निष्ठा और मेहनत तथा लगन द्वारा प्राप्त हो उन्हें प्रतिष्ठा। धन्यवाद।
Labor Day. Workers play an important role in improving the economic growth of the company and the nation. celebrate the economic and social achievement of workers, Labor Day or May Day is celebrated every year across the world in many countries on 1st.
The day originated from the labor union movement, specifically the 8-hour day movement, which supports the 8 hours for work, 8 hours for recreation, and 8 hours for rest.
The first May Day in India was organized in Madras, now Chennai, by the Labour Kisan Party of Hindustan on 1st May 1923. 1st May or Labour Day is observed as a public holiday in many countries such as India, Bangladesh, Cuba, China, Germany, etc. It provides a much needed break to the workers from their work so that they can rest or use this day as the time for their own.
In India, Labor Day or May Day was celebrated first in Chennai on May 1st, 1923. The Labour Kisan Party of Hindustan initiated this. The leader of the party, Comrade Singaravelar, organized 2 meetings to celebrate this event.
One meeting was held on the Triplicane beach and the other took place at the beach opposite to the Madras High Court. In the meeting, Singaravelar approved a resolution which indicated that the government should announce a national holiday on May Day or Labor Day in India. This was the first time a red flag was hoisted in India.
We know all the workers receive minimum pay by selling their labor. That is the reason why we celebrate International Labour Day all over the world to promote and encourage labor association and recognize their contributions by the society as they are certainly well deserved.